everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into AlipayPlus account. So if you want to log into AlipayPlus account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.alipayplus.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of AlipayPlus. If you look at top, you can see several options over here. If you want to log into your account, all you have to do is click on this login option right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the official login page of AlipayPlus. Here you'll have to enter your email address. Now here you'll have to enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this forgot password button right over here. So after entering your email and password, all you have to do is click on this login button right over here and you'll be logged in your AlipayPlus account. So that is how you log into your AlipayPlus account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.